Let's keep it 100. The luxury SUV has officially hit a wall of total excess. For a decade, we've been told prestige is measured in sheer bulk, in these heavy, aggressive, rolling fortresses that have completely lost their connection to the earth. But as we step into 2026, that whole vibe is officially cooked. The definition of a flagship is being radically reimagined. We are looking at a technological benchmark that effectively resets the clock on British excellence. This isn't just a car, it is a surgical restoration of a legend. This is the 2026 Land Rover Series II. But before we dive into how this icon is reclaiming the throne, I want to see the reach today. Drop a comment with your city and country. We're seeing a massive resurgence in heritage tech globally, and I want to see exactly where you're watching this revolution from today. Look at these sculpted proportions. The 2026 Series II doesn't just occupy space, it possesses it. It's got an assertive road presence that bridges the gap between mid-century utility and 21st century grace. Land Rover finally moved away from that softness of the modern era, returning to the upright, unyielding geometry of the 1958 classic, its pure riz in automotive form. The intelligence here is breathtaking. Check out the aero apertures. Those vents aren't just for show, they're part of a digital ecosystem that cuts drag by 15%. And the lights? Those signature round LEDs are adaptive matrix units that project actual terrain guides onto the ground during night climbs. It looks like a single piece of carved obsidian. But as striking as the design is, the real evolution happens the second the door handles deploy. Welcome to the digital sanctuary. Step into the Series II and the noise of the outside world just evaporates. Land Rover created a private lounge, a mobile sanctuary that prioritizes your calm over digital clutter. The centerpiece is the Pivi Pro neural interface. This isn't just a screen, it's an intuitive digital skin that learns your vitals. If the cabin sensors detect your stress levels spiking in traffic, it automatically engages Zen mode, adjusting the 34-speaker Meridian system to a calming frequency and firing up the hot stone massage seats. The materials? Peak sustainable luxury. We're talking Kvadrat wool and recycled ocean plastics. It's a quiet, meditative space where the tech acts like a silent partner. No cap, it makes traditional voice commands feel like a relic. While the 1950s ancestor was famously analog, the 2026 Series II is a titan of predictive intelligence. Wrapped in a seamless layer of high-def LiDAR, this car is part of a learning global ecosystem. This tech totally deletes the stress of both city driving and off-road exploration. Through its Pathfinder AI, the Series II doesn't just react to a rock, it predicts the behavior of the trail 2 miles ahead. If there's a hazard around a mountain pass, your Guardian HUD projects a ghost line on the windshield, showing you the safest path before you even see the danger. It even features Super Cruise off-road, allowing for hands-free climbing and descents. It lets you focus on the scenery while the car masters the logistics. It's essentially a cheat code for the wild. The dynamic evolution of the Series II proves that effortless power and intelligent efficiency are no longer at odds. You've got two choices, the 626 horsepower PHEV Max or the full Ultima EV flagship, delivering silent torque that can tow nearly 8,000 pounds. But the headline isn't the speed, it's the ride quality. It is telepathic. Thanks to Terrain Response 3, the car scans the ground 1,000 times a second using road surface cameras. It preemptively softens the air suspension for a pothole before the tire touches it. You don't drive over the terrain, you flow with it. It's a sensation of weightless movement that makes every other luxury SUV feel heavy and unrefined. The 2026 Land Rover Series II is more than a revival. It is a statement of intent. It proves the pinnacle of adventure isn't found in a massive, bloated SUV, but in a reimagined icon that puts the human back in the center. Land Rover just set a new bar for the whole industry. But it raises a question for the comments. Does this tech-forward, minimalistic approach make those aggressive luxury rivals look mid and outdated? Or is it too much digital magic for a nameplate that was born in the mud? Let's get the debate started below. I read every single one. And if you want to see how this stacks up against the new electric flagship from Mercedes, click the video right here. I'm Virex Auto, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.